Next is question number 7, exercise 6.5. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. Now here in this question it is given that length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter and a diagonal of the rectangle is 41 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Since we know that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Here length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter but breadth of the rectangle is not known. So first of all we have to find the breadth of the rectangle to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. First of all, consider this rectangle as A, B, C and D, where AB represents length of the rectangle and BC represents breadth of the rectangle and AC represents diagonal of the rectangle, and we have to calculate BC, that is breadth of the rectangle ABCD. Also we know that each angle of the rectangle is 90 degrees. Therefore ABC forms a triangle which is right angle at B, and AC be the side which is opposite to right angle B. Therefore AC represents hypotenuse of the right angle triangle ABC, and AB and BC are the legs of the right angle triangle ABC. Therefore by using Pythagoras property we can calculate the length BC. So by Pythagoras property, H square is equal to P square plus D square, where H represents AC, so it becomes AC square. P represents BC, so it becomes BC square, and B represents AB, so it becomes AB square. Also length of AC and AB be 41 centimeter and 40 centimeter, so putting the value of AC and AB here we get 41 square equal to BC square plus 40 square. Now 41 square is equal to 1681 equal to BC square, and 40 square equal to 1600. Now transposing 1600 to left hand side we get 1681 minus 1600 equal to BC square, which implies 1681 minus 1600 equal to 81, which is equal to BC square. Since 81 can be written as 9 multiply 9, so it becomes 9 multiply 9 equal to BC square, and 9 multiply 9 can be written as 9 square equal to BC square. Therefore BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle is equal to two multiply length plus breadth, where length is equal to AB, which is equal to 40 centimeter, and breadth is equal to BC, which is equal to 9 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply 40 plus 9, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 49, which is equal to 98. Hence perimeter of rectangle is be 98 centimeter. So this is the required answer.